Hello, everyone. So, can you believe that we are finishing week number 2 of the Fear No Video 21-day Masterclass? It has been so amazing. So, I hope you enjoyed last week and I hope you loved this week. Next week will be amazing as well. So, there's so many things that inspired me this week. I loved talking with Marissa with our marketing and branding. She's just so real, so genuine. And her tips were just absolute fire. Oh, but gosh, but speaking of fire, Nikki Nicole, she brought it, right? And I didn't turn my phone on Do Not Disturb, but it is what it is. She brought it, right? Her tips for network marketers were amazing. Her drive, her passion, it was great. So I really hope that you enjoyed that. If you haven't seen her episode and you are in direct sales or network marketing, definitely go back to it. But her tips are really good for anyone. Just, you can't, like, if you, what did she say? Oh, yeah. She said, if you can't afford bail money, then you can't afford to go to sleep. Just work, work, work. There's always a way to find money. So I love that. And then we also were making over your space. So you can reinvent your life. You can change things around. Never let anyone tell you that you have to be one thing. You have to do, one job. You can reinvent yourself as many times as you want. And also, how to beautify your space for your videos. So it's been an amazing week. Those are just a couple examples of our amazing speakers this past week. So if you didn't get to watch, go back and rewatch the one or watch the ones that you missed. And if it's too far back, you'll have to get on the VIP ticket, which is only $47. So that's a great deal. You'll get lifetime access. And I'm so excited. I can't wait for next week. Bye, guys.